Welcome to 375 Fairway South. This is down by the Army base, and it's down off of South Academy, I-25 and Circle area. Your neighbors. This is the front door here. We got a little side gate right there. I'll take you back there in a minute. This is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. And all of the rental requirements are going to be posted below. Got a nice closet here. And this unit does allow for animals. There's an additional pet deposit, which is required. Another full-size closet. And 1 full bath, no washer and dryer included. Kitchen. Water heater. And comes with the other appliances. And a little yard with a little extra storage out here in the shed. And here and here as well. I'll go check out this living room before we look at that. And this is the main living room area. Got air conditioning. Need to have a light for this room. I'll show you we have this in the front. I don't know if I got that closet. Nice little closet for everything. And a little area for the animals. So this is 375 Fairway South. Nice little area.